Trixie Mattel is back from sabbatical. So I thought it'd be fun to do a Trixie Mattel inspired design on our nails to show our appreciation for the queen. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. Let's get painting. Let's start with Trixie's iconic eye look. I'm not going to attempt to draw actual eyes on my nails. I'm not that good of an artist, but I did think it would be cute to do a version of her eye look as a French tip. Use a sheer pink color as your base color. Follow that with a quick dry top coat to make the next step of using acrylic paint easier and smoother. Outline the eye makeup shape with white acrylic paint and a striping brush. Remember that any mistakes you make, you can wipe off with water or chip it off later with a toothpick. Then you can make the black eyeliner look that she does inside of the white. I added some hollow glitter nail polish above the eye look to give it a little sparkle. Follow that with a quick dry top coat. This next design is inspired by her logo. Paint a light pink color on your remaining nails. Add top coat and then you're ready to paint hearts with acrylic paint. The easiest way to make them symmetrical is to use a dotting tool to make the two arches of the heart, and then take a thin brush to drag the color down to a point. Since her logo has hearts within hearts, I waited until the paint dried and then added a hot pink heart to one of the light pink hearts, and I did the opposite to the other. Then I added top coat to finish the design. For my pointer finger, I wanted to do the background stripes she has on her logo. With a striping brush, paint light blue, yellow, light pink, and hot pink lines in an angle using acrylic paint. Follow that with a top coat, and this design is done, nice and easy. I decided to add her main heart of the logo. Start with the hot pink, paint an M shape, and then a V below that. Then you can connect the two and you have a heart. Fill it in, then take yellow acrylic paint and make a smaller heart inside. After it dries, draw a T. I did my best to make it look like the T in her logo, but feel free to make a regular T or leave the T off completely and just have the heart. Finish it off with a top coat. And there you go, a Trixie-inspired design that anyone can do. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely check out Trixie's recent video about coming back from sabbatical. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I appreciate your time and I hope you had fun doing this design on your nails. Feel free to leave suggestions of other nail inspiration designs you'd like me to try. And with that, I'm out of here. Bye!